Hello and welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to show how I prepare this leek cream soup. Let's go to see the ingredients. Okay, so to start this recipe, I will cut and clean the leek with plenty of water, cutting like this in the middle. As you can see, there is dirt between the layers, so that's why we need to clean very well. And now I'm going to cut into half centimeter slices the leek. And now I'm going to put in a cooking pot olive oil, onion and green pepper. Then also the leek that I recently cut. All cut very small. We will fry over medium heat until golden, while I'm going to cook the bacon on one side and the other for the decoration. And now I'm peeling and cutting the potatoes in cubes like 1 centimeter side, and add to the cooking pot. And now we add a cube of vegetable stock or chicken to give a better taste, and then we put water until cover. Okay, and now we will cook 15 to 20 minutes, and we will add pepper and cumin. And I will check the potato. When the potato is like this, it's ready. We can taste now, and if you see you need more salt, you can add now. And now we are going to grind the vegetables. Okay, now I will add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese to give a better taste, and it will be more creamy. You can see the result. It's ready. We will serve in a deep plate. And now to decorate, I will put olive oil and then grated cheese and the bacon, and it's ready to eat. It's very easy, very tasty and very healthy. And you know, if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next video.